Good morning, YouTube. Here in this video, we are going to restore the dash knobs on this 1973 FJ40 Land Cruiser. The only tools I use is this polishing wheel. You can see here I'm just polishing the plastic. The shine is coming back really nice. Then we'll just add the white paint. Don't worry about being messy. We're going to clean it up here in a few. There's the hazard button. 50 years of dirt and grime. Coming out very nice. A little more paint. Messy, that's okay. And we're gonna wipe her down. Better. Much better. Looking nice. My favorite to use is Prep All. Just want to work at it lightly, not a lot of pressure, very light, and just keep wiping, and you'll just slowly remove the paint on top and not from the letters until you get that. And here's the final results. A reminder of before and after. And after. Have a great day, guys.